Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome to Tech Roundup. This week we bring you news from Google, Torvalds, hacks and more. Let's start. Android XR at Google I/O 2026 integrates Gemini into glasses and headsets, offering contextual AI, live translation and more. Google presents Android XR as the platform of the future, with Gemini seeing what you see and executing actions in XR glasses. The new Android XR glasses allow using 2D and spatial apps with Gemini AI for real-time assistance, messaging, and navigation. Android XR connects the real world with AI. Google shows smart glasses with Gemini, spatial apps, and advanced immersive tech. Linus Torvalds releases Linux 7.1 RC4 with standard changes in drivers, GPU, network, and file system. Development remains stable. In this new version, drivers continue to dominate the kernel, especially in GPU, while the remaining areas receive minor tweaks. Linus Torvalds warns about a growing issue. The excess of bug reports generated by AI is saturating the review workflow. Many of these reports are duplicates or already known, forcing developers to filter them and lose time on manual validation. DeepSeek announces Code Harness in Beijing, a new AI programming team that could compete with GitHub Copilot and Cloud Code. The creation of Code Harness by DeepSeek suggests a new race in AI programming tools, pressuring both OpenAI and Google teams. If DeepSeek achieves a code environment with its own AI, it could fragment the market and force other AIs to improve speed. The advance of Code Harness shows the rapid evolution of AI in development, generating competition with OpenAI and Anthropic. GitHub investigates unauthorized access to internal repos. There is no evidence of impact on repos, but risk remains monitored. Unauthorized access to internal GitHub repositories was detected. Although it does not affect user data, it is being monitored. OpenAI detects incident in Tanstack npm library within the mini Shai-Hulud attack. No user data or system access occurred. An npm supply chain attack used by OpenAI was detected. The company confirms no data theft or alteration of its main systems. Trump Mobile is reportedly leaking customer data like emails and addresses. Researchers confirm the database remains exposed. Trump Mobile users report personal data leak. Affected YouTubers alert that the information remains publicly accessible. Microsoft Exchange Server features an XSS vulnerability, allowing attackers to perform spoofing and hijack sessions in WebM. XSS flaw detected in Microsoft Exchange that allows network spoofing, affecting OWA security on poorly protected servers. In our section on Linux and BSD distributions, we bring you the new releases along with their respective specifications. Debian 13.5 arrives as a Trixie Point update, focused on bug fixes and security patches without changing the base OS version. This new launch is not a completely new version, but a stable revision with updated packages and integrated security fixes. OpenBSD 7.9 Diamond in the rough is the 60th release, launched recently with architecture fixes and new Signify keys. This new version includes expanded support for ARM64, AMD64, and RISC-V64, plus hardware fixes and stability improvements. PureOS 6.7 Andromeda updates its base to Debian 13.5. Incorporating a stable kernel, security patches. The new version of PureOS reinforces stability and performance with automatic updates and system improvements over Debian. PureOS 11 improves stability and security over Debian, tuning Librem hardware compatibility and reinforcing privacy focus. The new release of PureOS prioritizes internal fixes and system performance, maintaining a free base focused on user privacy. FydeOS 22.1 arrives with stability, compatibility, and performance improvements, optimizing web and Android apps on devices. This version of FydeOS reinforces Android and Linux integration, improves multitasking, and polishes overall system speed. These are the most important news related to our channel. See you next week for more updated and relevant technology news.